Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey everyone, welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin. Today we're talking about a game changer for Bitcoin investors and traders. President Trump signing a bill into law that reverses Biden-era rules on tax compliance for decentralized finance platforms. This move is sending shockwaves through the crypto market, with Bitcoin prices popping after the news broke. But what does this mean for investors like you? I'm joined now by Kamal Mokeddem, General Managing Partner at Finality Capital, a venture capital firm investing in early-stage companies in the blockchain, Web3, IT, and more. Kamal, thanks for being on the show. You're known for calling the current crypto bear market, but you also invested heavily in Bitcoin. What were you seeing that led you to make that call? And how has your strategy evolved since then? Well, I've been trading crypto for a long time, since 2013. I started out with $500 and ended up with $50 million back in 2022. What we've seen recently is that I have a quant macro signal that gives me key inflection points in the market. It flipped from positive to negative coming into January, so I could pinpoint the top around there from the charts. You can see that narrowing down to the week, it happened sometime between January 13th to January 20th. The actual top was January 19th. But why hasn't Bitcoin been seen as a safe haven during these risk-off days for stocks? Going back in the past, people would flock to Bitcoin. So what's driving crypto prices now? For me, it's all about macro conditions. They're tightening, and that's what's going to drive crypto prices more than anything. And if that's what's driving crypto, then I'm curious how you maintain investing in this digital currency when the environment is so defined by uncertainty. Yeah, our strategy is to take risk off at times when there's macro tightening and put all that risk back on so we can capture all the upside without suffering the downside volatility. It's a delicate balance, but it's one we're confident in. Now, let's talk about this for retail investors who have $10,000 to deploy in this environment. Should they be buying Bitcoin if they have a longer time horizon? Kamal, what's your advice for them? Absolutely. This is a great time to buy. The price will probably be lower at the end of the year, but there are often divergences where Bitcoin might be a little bit lower, but some of the alts that people might invest in might have already hit their lows early in the year. So you won't regret buying anything here 5 years from now. That's all for today's show. Thanks again to Kamal Mokeddem for joining us and sharing his insights on the crypto market. If you want more expert analysis and commentary, be sure to check out our Catalyst series on YouTube. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Bitcoin Bulletin content.